How to tell harmless valve ticking from catastrophic piston slap in 30 seconds. A ticking noise from your engine can either be a cheap fix or a dead motor. Start the engine and count the rhythm. If the tick rate is exactly half the engine RPM speed, it's just lifters or valves driven by the camshaft. Annoying, but safe to drive to a shop. But if the knock matches engine RPM 1-to-1 and gets louder when you step on the gas, it's piston slap or rod knock. Kill the engine immediately. Can you diagnose engine noises by ear? Drop your thoughts.